Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you my nighttime skincare routine. My face did not end up looking this glowy when I first started, but along the line, when we started with all the products that I used during my nighttime skincare routine, my face ended up looking like this. But trust me, by the time I wake up the next morning, half of this facial essence and just all these ingredients and stuff that I have applied on my face would have penetrated inside and my face will look absolutely normal. So sorry about the glow and everything. It is not my intention. And if you're interested, of course, you to get on the ride. So here is my nighttime skincare routine. I've toned my face with this. I'm just going to be applying the serums, and the goal of my nighttime anti-aging skincare routine is basically to hydrate and to make sure that I am pursuing that anti-aging goal. Okay, so I'm going to be using the ordinary alpha apotene first of all. Okay guys, so like I said, I've already toned my face. Now I'm going to be applying the ordinary alpha apotene plus hyaluronic acid, and the goal of alpha apotene is to help me blend out the remaining acne marks that I have, and then the hyaluronic acid in the serum is going to serve as the hydrating serum that I'm also going to be applying all over my face, and the goal is brightening and hydration, especially with this alpha apotene serum. And you can see that I am taking my skincare product to my neck and my chest. That's because I want my skin to be even, and also to my ear area, just to make sure that everything cuts across. You don't need to use too much, you just need enough to go around, because serums are high potent skincare formulas, and don't worry, they will find their way into your skin pores. Alright, so the next thing that I'm going to be using is the ordinary retinol in 0.05%, and I'm squalene, and I've been using this for a year now. Of course, you know that I have a small pimple bump on my face, but notwithstanding, retinol is going to also help with acne. And it's also the reason why I particularly use retinol is because of the anti-aging benefits that it offers my skin. And I use 1, 2, 3 drops sometimes, but tonight I used more than normal, and I don't know why, so please just excuse that. So about 2 to 3 drops is okay. You want to massage it into your skin, you want to massage it around your neck, your ear area, all the areas of your face that you make sure that you need the serum on. You need to make sure that you are getting it there, also on your neck and on your chest. Please guys, don't forget, on your neck and on your chest. And I'm just taking my time now to ensure that I'm getting my serum everywhere. Okay guys, so the next thing that I'm going to be using is the Sun by Me hydrating moisturizer that has AHA, PHA and stuff. I use this maybe once or twice a night, depending on really my mood actually, but tonight I really feel like going all in with the skincare stuff, so I'm using a dime size, and I just apply dots all over my face, and then I massage it into my skin, and it is very hydrating. You need hydrating moisturizers when you use your retinol, because retinol is a naturally drying skincare active. This is why hydration needs to go hand in hand with your anti-aging skincare routine, and that's just basically what you see me doing. And of course, I take it to the same areas: the neck, the ear, the forehead, under my chin, and then my chest area, just to be safe and just to ensure that the moisture is getting everywhere. To be showing you some of my self-care must-haves. Like, these are the products that I use every month without fail. Now remember that the goal of my skincare routine is anti-aging and hydration, but apart from that, remember, good skin starts from the inside out. So what are some of the products that I always make sure that I have? The very first one is my supplements, and I always use this Healthy You supplement from Nature's Field. Nature's Field is my absolute best like I've tried quite a number of supplements, but this Healthy You is my favorite, and I'm going to tell you why. When you're trying to choose a supplement, first of all, you want to make sure that it has all your daily dietary intake nutrients in it. And if you look at the carton here, just by the side here, I'm going to see if I can also make a video and just insert it. Just by the side, you can see all sorts of vitamins per one tablet. Vitamin A, C, D, E, K1, thiamine, vitamin B2, niacinamide, B6, folic acid, B12, biotin, pantothenic acid, calcium, iron, iodine, and a whole lot of dietary nutrients that are not in the daily food that you take. And that is why this supplement is really one of my favorites, and is the one I've been using. Now I'm going to be is the one that I've been using. So you're supposed to take only one every day, and it works for urinary health, it works for muscle and bone health, it works for heart, it works for energy, eye, immune defense, hair, skin, and nails. And that brings me to the second reason why you should buy a supplement. Please, if it is not boldly written on the body, like in the packaging like this, that it works for hair, skin, and nails, it's most likely not going to work for your hair, skin, and nails, because most times pharmaceutical products are always very transparent, because FDA, that's the Federal Drug Administration, enjoins and advises them to put everything on their packaging like this, so that the average consumer would be able to understand what they are taking into their system. All right, so the muscle joints, everything, all the benefits it has to offer is right here. But I made sure that it also works for my hair, it works for my skin, and it works for my nails. And naturally my nails are not really that strong, but ever since I started taking it, even with the fact that I fix my nails every month, my nails are strong, my hair has grown longer, and of course you guys know the skin is popping. Then the last reason why you should choose a supplement is to make sure it does not have side effects like drowsiness or nausea. Now, the last supplements that I used had a lot of zinc, and zinc makes me really want to throw up, so I stopped using it completely. But this one has zinc, but not in like a lot of amount. It has 7.5 milligrams of zinc per one tablet, and that's just enough for your daily intake. But the last supplement I used to make me feel nauseous and just really drowsy and draggy, and I never used to feel like my absolute best self. But this particular supplement from Nature's Field, the Healthy You, is one of my favorites, and I've been using it for like 4 or 5 months now, and I don't have any regrets whatsoever. I got the one in the 100 tablets, and I'm going to be using this for the next 3 months. All right. I have a glass of water here with me now. I'm going to be taking my supplements for you guys to see. I always take one a day is enough, and then it comes with a peel and seal stuff like this in here, like this, and I just open it up and I take only one. The tablet is brown in color like this. It's brown, yes. That I want to talk about when it comes to your self-care must-haves, that these are the things that you need to make sure that as a woman you are buying every month to take care of your immune system, your body, and of course your skin, is this Orheptal blood tonic. Now, this is just something that I always use, and trust me, it works wonders. I remember one time my mom would be like, okay, Eniola, whenever you're on your period or whatever, you need to make sure that you're using blood tonic to restore the iron and all the stuff that happened during the month. I can't really remember how she explains it, but she will always put us on maybe like blood tonic, my sister and I, and stuff, and then it really works wonders. And even now that I'm much older, I always buy blood tonic maybe like once a month, especially when I'm going through like a spiritual exercise like fasting. You want to make sure that you're using something like this, and it also has nutrients, but it would help with iron. It restores iron into the system, and it helps to make your blood and stuff, all of the good things that it works for. Okay, I'm not a pharmacist, but I just really like the fact that it's a blood forming tonic with vitamin B12 and other vitamin B factors, and this is Dr. Mayer's Orheptal. I've been using it since I was a child. Okay, so that brings me to the very next self-care must-have, and that is my green tea. I cannot do without green tea. You guys, this is incredibly important. A lot of people always say things like, why should I be taking tea? Now, teas are very, very important, but green tea is packed with a lot of antioxidants, and it has a lot of benefits for blood pressure, cholesterol levels, to alleviate stress, to boost your immune system, and to just provide antioxidants that are vital for your well-being. I always get this one from Samira, or if I don't get this one, I get the Twinings green tea or the Twinings cranberry tea. But by all means, I add teas to my monthly self-care grocery shopping list because it is incredibly important. Please, girls, it is important. If there's one thing that I know, there is something in green tea that just allows your stress levels to just calm down. It has a way of relaxing your internal system so that you don't break out during the month. And let me give you guys a very vivid example. I've not had this tea for like 2 weeks now, and look at the obvious results. Okay, that's because I had to stress myself because of quite a lot of things on the business end. But using tea and taking tea regularly helps to reduce your stress levels, and in turn would ensure that your acne does not form or come on the surface of your skin, or your skin does not get inflamed. Okay, so the very next thing that I always get during my self-care monthly must-have is a candle, a scented candle. And you can just see this one right here that is burning on top. That is a candle. Now, I got this one from a vendor online. I don't know, she didn't really treat me well, so I'm not going to tag her. This is the vanilla candle from Talent Forest, and there is something about the scent that just relaxes the atmosphere and makes you feel so treasured and just pampered and nurtured and stuff. And trust me, candles are important. If you've not gotten into this bougie luxury lifestyle living of adding candles to your daily living, or just lighting a candle when you wake up to reduce your stress and to make sure that the atmosphere is just really conducive and you're with perfect zen moments, trust me, you've not even tasted life, because this is the next level. Candles add a lot of the inkling. There's a reason why people light candles and do their skincare. That's because it gives a spa-like feeling. It helps you to feel pampered, relaxed. It creates this very beautiful atmosphere for you to just like, I am in my perfect zen moment. So guys, that's basically it. We need to do more videos like this for you guys, but these are some of my essentials. You guys always ask me, Enela, how is your skin so glowy? How are you always so refreshed? Why do you glow so much? It is the little things that actually counts. All right, and apart from, I go through stress IQ every day, but these are the things that has really worked for me and that has really helped me, and I'm guessing and I'm hoping that it is also going to work for you.